Hey guys, and welcome. I just wanted to make a real quick video for you to let you know I've recently signed up over at clarity.fm. The reason I've done that is I had a whole bunch of people contacting me, more so over on Instagram, asking me various different Amazon FBA questions, some entrepreneurial or mindset stuff. Could they speak to me on the phone? Would I mentor them? So I've set a profile up over there. I'll leave a link somewhere down in the description. If you click that, you can just head over there and book an appointment with me. And what it's going to enable us to do is just to make an appointment that's convenient to both of us, and they charge per minute. So if you were one of those people who had previously contacted me, or maybe you're just somebody in the future that's currently seeing this now, head over there. If you want some mentoring, if you've got a specific question, if there's a certain point that you're stuck at somewhere along your journey, your Amazon FBA journey, then just head over there, book an appointment, and then we can speak one-on-one. Okay, thanks for watching.